Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best heated snow blower is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of equipment for anyone living in a region that experiences heavy snowfall, offering a significant upgrade in comfort and efficiency over traditional models by providing warmth directly to the operator, thereby making the arduous task of clearing snow less physically demanding and more tolerable during frigid winter months. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ618E Electric Snow Blower. Tackle snow-covered driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snow blower is designed for efficient snow management. Powered by a robust motor, it clears snow rapidly, offering gas-like performance without the hassle of fuel or maintenance. Its adjustable chute gives you full control over snow direction. You can also adjust the height to throw snow up to 20 feet. The cold-resistant rotor cuts a wide path, clearing snow quickly without damaging surfaces. It's built for durability and efficiency. Compact all-terrain wheels ensure easy movement and control. Navigate mid-sized areas smoothly and efficiently with this user-friendly design. What we like. This electric snow blower is designed for efficient snow management on driveways and walkways. It offers powerful snow removal without the hassle of fuel or maintenance. If you have mid-sized areas to clear and want a compact, easy-to-maneuver option, this is a great choice. What people say. It performed without hesitation, no stalling, no dying, it just did its job. I was able to clear my patio, the sidewalk, and my entire parking area. The power, it cleared 8 to 12 inches of snow with no problem, though you do have to put some muscle behind it if it's wintry mix. The light, fluffy stuff is a breeze. Ease of use, it's incredibly simple. You just press the blue safety button and pull the handle trigger at the same time to go. Number 4. Snow Joe SJ627E 15-amp electric snow blower. Tackle heavy snow with this high-performance electric snow blower. Its powerful motor delivers gas-like power, moving up to 840 pounds of snow per minute. Clear more snow in less time. Its wide 22-inch clearing path and 13-inch intake depth are perfect for managing light to moderate snowfalls. Take control of where the snow goes. The adjustable chute directs snow discharge up to 25 feet with precision and ease. This machine features a heavy-duty all-steel auger with rubber-tipped blades. It provides ground-level clearing power while protecting your surfaces. Illuminate your path with dual LED headlights for early morning or evening snow removal. Its compact design ensures easy maneuverability. What we like. This high-performance snow blower is built for large clearing jobs. Its wide path and powerful motor handle light to moderate snowfalls with ease. If you're looking for a robust solution for large driveways and walkways, especially in low-light conditions, this model with its integrated lights is ideal. What people say. It performed without hesitation, no stalling, no dying, it just did its job. I was able to clear my patio, the sidewalk, and my entire parking area. The power, it cleared 8 to 12 inches of snow with no problem, though you do have to put some muscle behind it if it's wintry mix. The light, fluffy stuff is a breeze. Ease of use, it's incredibly simple. You just press the blue safety button and pull the handle trigger at the same time to go. Number 3. DryGuy DX Electric Dryer. Meet the DryGuy DX, your ultimate solution for drying all your gear. It's designed to be safe and effective for a wide range of materials. Experience quick drying in just 1 to 3 hours. Its forced air system circulates air evenly to dry multiple items simultaneously. Enjoy the convenience of fast drying without the noise. This dryer operates silently, making it perfect for any home or garage. Tailor the drying process to your specific needs with adjustable heat settings. An automatic shut-off timer ensures energy efficiency and safety. From shoes and boots to gloves and helmets, it dries them all. Compatible accessories allow for even more versatility. This dryer fits easily into any space, measuring just 12 by 7.5 by 15 inches. The long power cord offers flexible placement options. What we like. This electric dryer is designed for safe and effective drying of various gear. Its convection heating and forced air circulation ensure quick and even drying from multiple items at once. If you need to dry multiple pairs of shoes, boots, or gloves quickly and quietly, this is the perfect solution for home or garage use. What people say. The unit is made of good quality plastic. The fan is decent, and the heating elements work well. It will dry my boots overnight, and has a spot for gloves which is nice as well. This works amazing, I love it and use it every day. When they do get wet from rain or whatever, this dries them out thoroughly for the next day. It's been 6 months of almost daily usage, no issues. It works exactly as described and will slowly dry your boots. I appreciate that I can choose whether or not to use the heat, and the base is sturdy enough for a pair of 8 boots with or without something on the shorter risers. Number 2. JobSite Silent Boot Dryer. Introducing the JobSite Silent Boot Dryer. It quietly dries your work boots, gloves, and shoes, ensuring they are ready for your next shift. Utilizing advanced fanless convection, this dryer gently warms and dries your gear. This efficient method helps reduce odor and moisture without noisy fans. Say goodbye to damp, smelly footwear. Our dryer helps combat odor by effectively removing moisture, keeping your boots and shoes fresh. Perfect for more than just boots. Dry your work boots, gloves, and shoes with ease. It's the all-in-one solution for your essential gear. Step into warmth every time. This dryer ensures your footwear is not only dry but also comfortably warm, ready for any job site. What we like. This boot dryer offers a silent and efficient way to dry work boots, gloves, and shoes. Its fanless convection drying method helps reduce odor and is gentle on materials. If you prioritize quiet operation and odor reduction for your work gear, this dryer is an excellent option. What people say. This snowblower is a beast and clears heavy wet snow with ease. The heated handles are a game changer for cold weather operation. It starts up quickly and runs smoothly, making snow removal much less of a chore. Number 1. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Electric Shovel Kit. Tired of back-breaking snow shoveling? This powerful cordless snow shovel kit is designed for fast and effortless snow removal on your sidewalks, patios, and steps during those cold winter months. Its tough, 2-blade auger can clear an 11-inch wide path and throw snow up to 20 feet. It can even handle a depth of 7 inches, making quick work of even heavy snowfall. Enjoy convenient operation with an efficient battery that clears up to 370 square feet per charge. Best of all, it requires no gas or oil, making it an eco-friendly choice. Weighing just 11.8 pounds, its ergonomic dual-handle design ensures comfort and reduces strain. This makes it incredibly portable and easy to maneuver. Equipped with a high-output 400-watt motor, it moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. This makes it ideal for clearing snow from small to medium-sized areas quickly and efficiently. What we like. This cordless snow shovel kit provides fast, effortless snow removal for sidewalks, patios, and steps. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes it easy to handle. If you need a portable and convenient solution for clearing snow in small to medium areas without the hassle of gas or cords, this is the perfect tool. What people say. It's not a race. Push at a speed that won't wreck your arm if you hit a crack in the pavement. Good little easy-to-use tool. Works great on light, fluffy snow. Easy to use and charges quickly. Easy to assemble, no tools needed. So far, so good. You can find Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.